Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the repair request status in LG thinq. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the menu there. Now you can just press on support in the top of your screen, and after that you can just press on repair request status. And here in this page you will be able to track the repair. You can just enter here the receipt number and the phone number, and after that press on search and you will be able to check the repair request status like that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.